What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the AutoWorks. Today is all about pearls and whether or not you can mix them. Now, there are two main types of pearls, guys. White particle based pearls that you usually see with color shift and ghost pearls and stuff of that nature, and your solid pearls, which are pretty much solid colors that you use to get complete coverage or get just a metallic effect on everything. So as you guys can see, I've got a couple test panels laid out here. So we're going to choose a couple of different colors that I think will look kind of cool and funky, and we're going to test the theory. Can you mix white particle based pearls and solid pearls? So let's get into it, and I'll show you what we're using today. To get the best effect on this, I'm going to use some neutral colors today. That way we really get a good idea of what this is going to do. I've got some white, Summit white, so it's a Chevy white. I've got some Rustoleum smoke gray. It's a great color, everybody loves it, shiny primer. And I've got this metallic gunmetal looking color. I think that's going to be kind of interesting what the pearls do over top of it. So I'm going to spray this out on some test panels, and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're ready to spray some pearl. Now, like I said, we're going to do a white particle pearl and a solid pearl today. The solid pearl I picked is copper. Thought it might be a cool little contrast, and you know, it would be a pretty metallic-y pearl. So the white particle pearl I picked is Galaxy Blue. It's a shifty kind of blue. So I'm curious to see what these two in combination do over these different bases. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So let's get mixing some of this up, and let's get to shooting. So we got both our pearls mixed up, and like I said, they say not to mix these together, but guess what? There's no day like the present to take a risk. All right. Now right away I'm noticing something crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has taken the copper and gave it a blue shift, which is insane. So let's spray this out full scale, and let's see what we get. Alright guys, so let me know what you thought. Did everything turn out the way you expected it to? Mixing the solid pearls and the white particle pearls. It really didn't turn out bad. As far as spraying it goes, I sprayed it for about 6 coats. So it did take a lot to cover. And the colors turned out kind of neutralish. They look really cool when the sun hits it, but they're not the most poppy colors in the world. And primarily probably because I did it over neutral bases as well. But anyways, if you made it this far in the video, let me know what you thought of today's video. And hit that subscribe button, hit that like button so you don't miss future content. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.